what would you say are some of the top traits that you've seen, or the best traits you've seen in your top analyst, or what are those top traits that you're looking for?
So if they've already made it in the company, right? They have started to work under me or under my team. Some of the things that I look for is, are they sponges, right? Are they really absorbing the information that are provided to them? Um, we expect minimal, like from their educational background and their expertise, from what they learned and what they might have practiced in internship. We'll assess that, right, as well, and see how they can apply that information. So application of what you've already learned, and that bar is very low, right? But also understanding how much you're absorbing, and are you asking questions? The thing is, the questions don't have to be good or bad, right? It's just, are you asking questions? Are you attentive, right? And are you taking good notes, right? And the reason I say that is,
Hmm.
over time, let's say you've done the same task multiple times, the understanding would be you're going to get efficient at it, right? And we're going to be able to see sort of the fruits of all those training and coaching that the team provided you. And um, so there will be some efficiency gains from, let's say something took you a week or 2 weeks. Eventually, it will take you shorter than that, right? Because now you're not going to be stopped by certain points where you might have had questions in the past. So yeah, sponges, taking good notes, asking a lot of questions, and being able to get efficient over time.
Hmm.
And then once you've gotten efficient and now you notice that you have free time, one of the things that I also just look to see is the person wanting to grow, right? Are they asking for, is there anything else that they can help in? Sometimes as managers, we're not like micromanaging you or looking into your day to day. So it really, we expect you to sort of come up and say, hey, what else can I help in, and things like that. So I think those are the good traits that I see on my top performing analysts, where they are wanting to learn and picking up things, and so forth.
Great, great. Yeah, I think that what I'm hearing is that you're kind of describing a progression, right?